Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to clean up apps junks on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone master. So I'm going to simply click on my phone master right here. Load up like so, then it takes you right here. Now for you to clean up any junk file on your Android phone, next thing you want to do is to simply go to storage clean. So you have to give it some minutes to load all the junk file on your Android phone. All right, so the next thing you need to do is to simply click on view junk details. It's going to take you right here. Now you have all the junk file right here, such as clean up junk package, system junk about 195 MB, residual junk, and the cache as no junk. Now next thing you need to do, if you want to clear everything, what you need to do is to make sure these are checked. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on clean. So in a few seconds, everything is going to be cleared off and you'll be able to save about 265 space on your phone. Now you can further your cleanup right here from the options right here. You can go to App Cleaner Optimize Now. Simply click on that. Then take you right here. Then you can simply click on Save Cleanup. Then with that, we're able to save another more storage space on our Android phone. Then you can also go to WhatsApp Cleaner. Simply click on Clean Now. Then we have about 600 megabyte storage junk. What we want to do is to select the actual junk we want to remove. So be sure of the one you want to remove. So I'm going to remove audio, I'm going to remove video, and I'm going to remove some file. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here. So I was able to save. So deleted selected file. Data cannot be recovered after deletion. Confirm deletion. So this is very much important. You need to be very sure that you really want to delete some of these things. So once you click on confirm, all the data will be deleted and you will save enough of information on your data on your phone. Then you can also go to Chrome section. So your browse section, so simply click on that and then wait for some minutes and it generates all the junk file we have right here. So right here I have about 5.13 gig as file received. Simply click on it. When you click on it, click on clean. So click on clean and data cannot be recovered after deletion. Confirm delete. Once you confirm, everything will be erased and you save a lot of another file. You can do as many as possible for different files. You can also come to TikTok, click on scan, and everything is going to scan. Then you see a lot of information right there. So I have log file. So I'm going to simply click on clean and delete. Just like so, everything has been deleted. I can go back and then check on another one right here. So I have Instagram right here. I'm going to simply click on it. Then we have nothing in junk under the Instagram. So it's as simple as that. So you can see clean up complete. So you can check as many as possible if you still have any junk file or apps on your Android phone. So basically, this is how to simply clean up apps junks on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.